Hey guys, we're back again with another video, and this time it is Yalani by Amar and Sona. So let's get started.
Let's go, guys.
Yes, let's go.
Amar and Soma Yalani. So many of you guys recommend this video. We are reacting to it. Thank you for the tea.
Oh, these two guys. Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Nice tea, actually. 8 are produced by.
What?
I'm missing this CRT TV, guys. All these flat TV are useless right now. Oh. Oh.
Okay.
What? What just happened?
Yeah, the antenna thing. It's the
Yeah.
antenna. You know, we used to go upstairs or up
Yeah.
in the roof, and then we used to.
Okay, it's retro. I think it's
Yeah.
from 1990s.
Yeah,
Thing, you know?
probably. It's a 1990s thing.
Okay.
Where are you? Where are you? Oh, please come in. Okay.
Okay. He is this technician, and I think he's the one.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
Nice.
Oh, at the same time,
Yeah.
the song is playing. Oh, love at the first sight,
Yeah,
guys.
completely first sight.
Ooh, it looks like 90s chocolate boy image, you know?
Yeah, actually, it's totally like 90s chocolate
And
boy image.
this guy is really cute.
Yeah, he is, but yeah, also.
Let's play. Okay.
I see really good
Yeah.
expressions in this. Yeah,
Whoa.
actually, blushing.
I like this kind of song
Yeah,
because it's
true.
reminding me of the 9XM era.
Yeah,
you know?
actually, true. Like in the 90s, there used to be hook steps a lot, like hooks moves
Yeah.
a lot, and then a little bit of main song in the thing. Like lyrics were too short, but
Yeah,
everything
but
was good musical
This
piece
is
and everything.
another thing, you know?
And this guy improved a lot. Literally, he gave expressions a
Yeah.
lot. I like that fact.
And he looks cute in this song. I
Yeah.
love it. Because last time we watched a video, we don't like it.
Yeah, we
But-
didn't like his reactions because he was not giving any reactions, to be exact.
Yeah,
Ooh,
but
fancy
this
dinner.
time
Oh,
he looks
yeah.
like Prince Charming, you
Yeah,
know?
he does looks good in this.
Ooh, what a vibe. Ooh.
Again, alcohol is injurious to your
Yes,
health. Oh
okay.
no, advantage.
He
This
is
is
taking
wrong.
advantage, guys.
This is wrong, guys. For
This is
any
not
of you
good.
guys are watching, this is wrong. This is completely wrong. Yeah.
Oh.
Allani,
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 allani, allani, allani, allani, allani, allani, allani, allani. I love this step.
Yeah, easy to do.
Actually, I saw most of the Manipuri song, and she is the one. Every time I saw her in different kind of dresses,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
not like retro kind of.
But retro
dresses.
looks good here.
Retro looks good, yeah, and it shoots her actually with this hairstyle and thing.
True.
Ooh.
Billiards. 8-ball pool. I love playing 8-ball pool, but I
Yeah.
never played in person. Like in real life, I played in games, like online games here.
Yeah. The online game name is 8-ball pool. Actually, it's a pool.
It's cool.
Yeah.
I know that. They said it's 8-ball pool because there was a last
Eight
ball that
ball-
was
last
8
ball eight.
in actual pool, and then there is 9-ball pool, and everything is there.
Oh. two friends are having fun together. Oh, I think her friends having a breakup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are all chaotic. Like a group of friends are always going to be chaotic.
Chaotic, yeah. Okay, it's a real singer.
She's the singer, yeah.
Wow, she's so pretty though.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, giving that look.
Giving that look. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
He didn't even look who was driving.
I don't know what is
You know-
happening right now. Oh.
Wait a minute, on this note, like in 90s, hitchhiking was really a bad thing to do. You know
Yeah.
why? Because you could have been killed by a serial killer and nobody
Exactly.
would know. No, because hitchhiking used to be the best part for serial killers. They used to take out their Mustang and then pick out some girls or some boys and then they would kill them or
Yeah.
do torture and then just put them in anywhere they feel like, okay.
But right now they are promoting hitchhiking. I don't know why.
No.
I think
It's not
the-
like that.
she
It's
know-
just a.
she,
It's
actually-
it's just a thing. I was just
Yeah.
telling a fact. Like seriously, in 90s there did not used to be too much. Like police around or CCTV
Yeah.
cameras around. Like a lot of things used to be like that. So
But-
yeah, that's why I was telling this story because it's already projecting in 1990s. Nah,
90s,
that's
yeah,
why.
that's
Like,
why.
she can be a serial killer and nobody would know. Like.
Ooh, that's really messed up situation, guys.
But no, it's not. We know that because, of course.
Oh. She's a killer actually. Killer of his
That
heart.
is his heart killer. Oh my
Oh.
god.
Look at her, dude. She's so pretty.
blushing.
She's oh. Okay. Is giving that
Nice.
Look, you know.
Why did they put this?
I don't know.
Why there is a suspense music, bro?
I don't know.
Why there was a suspense music?
But the song was really nice.
Yeah, and the
We
song was
enjoyed
really
it.
really nice, and I too enjoyed it. And I just told you guys the story about the hitchhikers and how they get killed.
Yallani, yallani,
Is
yallani.
because I listen to those podcasts
Yeah.
every time I go somewhere. Suppose I'm going to somewhere and it will take me 1 to 2 hours to go and reach. I will just turn on a Spotify serial killer podcast from Spotify and then I'll just go on the way, and that's how I really look forward to look
It's
into
crazy.
it. And
Crazy.
in 90s, honestly, in America, then Brazil, everywhere,
Yeah.
everywhere, to be honest, like after the Great Depression,
Yeah.
everyone was so much depressed and anxiety and chaotic. Everything was so chaotic that a lot of serial killers came out and they were like,
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill, let's kill. And it was like that only. And if you really dig into it, you will know that it is like that. People
Yeah.
will just go and kill and nobody would know who killed them. After the serial killer killed 25 10 25 15 victims, and then if people police get to know who killed them. And
killed them,
back
yeah.
then DNA collecting DNA evidence or fingerprint evidence and then
Yeah.
matching them were not today's technical stuff.
Technical stuff, yeah.
It was so backdated and people were not able to grasp all of
Grasp
the
all of
idea
it.
together and then collect
Stuff
all
to
of those.
do, man.
It was a really hard thing to do, and that's
Yeah.
why serial killers were growing back then. And now
Yeah.
there are serial killers in today's world as well, but a lot less,
A lot lesser.
because
I know.
of the whole technological stuff and everything. So yeah, that's why I was just telling you the story about it. That's
Yeah.
all, nothing else. It just came up. Thank you so much if you guys still watching. I'll
Thank
see
you,
in the
guys.
next video. Till then, watch our other videos and subscribe.
To start
Bye.
in my reaction.
Bye.